Vivek Gopan. Well, that average isn't really going to inspire much confidence in his teammates. But the strike rate is healthy enough. He's going to need to play an innings of a lifetime over here, Charu.
Well, he and all the rest of the Kerala strikers, batsmen. Just a quick comparison at this point of time as Abhimanyu replaces Dhruv. The Karnataka Bulldozers were 114 for no loss after 9, and the strikers 50 for 4. A little bit of movement for Abhimanyu. Pitched and moved away.
Bit of dibbly-dobbly bowling there by Abhimanyu. This was the dismissal. Not really getting the kind of power required to clear the outfield. Bhavna there. Nice shape. Very good shape by Abhimanyu. He's doing the basics right, not trying to bowl too quick. He knows there's a bit of movement, getting the ball to move. He knows his team are well in control. Doesn't want to concede any extras. Just keeping it on a length.
Oh, we praised him too soon. Manu, what were you thinking? But luckily, of course, they have a mountain of runs to Kerala, to the Karnataka Bulldozers, and this is not really going to hurt. Imagine in a tight match, I think the captain would have been all over him.
Well, he was trying to bowl the in-swinger here. But, you know, I always wonder why do they do that? I mean, if it ain't broke, why fix it? And he was bowling so well with his outswingers. Right line, right length. But like you said, luckily this is a game where they can afford to iron out their chinks. Otherwise, we all know Sudeep would have been on him like a rash.
Wide down leg, wide, outside off. Come on, Abhimanyu.
No, and this is a result of the previous ball, because, you know, he was bowling on a nice line and length, the outswingers. Suddenly tries to do something different and he's upset his rhythm, and then he tries to compensate by going way wide outside off stump. This is definitely a result of the previous delivery.
That's what you need to do. Fuller length, inviting the drive. And Vivek Gopan sucked into it. Luckily for him, no edge.
And this was what he was doing the previous few deliveries. And this is all he needs to do, really. Doesn't need to be too clever. Stick to the basics.
Well, luckily Rajiv Pillai comes in now on strike, but he too will have to be careful, perhaps getting the glove, which is why the run was credited to the batsman. What a mountain to climb for the Kerala strikers, and Rajiv Pillai has struck one or two from the middle of the bat, but it's not been a convincing innings. 26 from 22 so far. Just needs to be a little careful of the movement, Rajiv.
Again, super shape. The Karnataka Bulldozers, they seem to be getting a lot of movement, Charu. We saw Dhruv getting the in-swinger. We see Abhimanyu going well with the outswinger.
Yeah, wonderful seam position, that I've got to say. They've practiced hard, this lot. Again, a wild swing, nowhere near the ball. And Rajiv Pillai does survive. And after 10, halfway stage, the Kerala strikers 57 for 4.